Fungi. The fungi kingdom is in the domain Eukarya. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. Fungi are heterotrophs. One of the ways they obtain nutrients is to decompose bodies of dead organisms. Fungi secrete their enzymes that break down organic matter outside their bodies. The fungus then absorbs the nutrients. Fungi are unique. Most fungi are multicellular. Yeast is a common fungi that is unicellular. Fungal cell walls are mostly made up of chitin. Chitin is also found in the exoskeletons of arthropods like insects. Hyphae are microscopic filaments that absorb nutrients. Mycelium is a visible mass of hyphae. It can be seen on a decaying organism. Most fungi produce spores. These are microscopic reproductive cells that travel to start a colony of fungi. Some fungi produce a fruiting body. A mushroom is an example of a fruiting body. A lichen is when a fungi cohabitates with an algae or a cyanobacteria. A fungi absorbs water while the algae provides carbohydrates. Lichen has many forms. Lichens cannot stand pollution. They cannot secrete the toxins. Native lichens are monitored as an indicator of air quality. Corn smut is an example of a fungi that attacks plants. Corn smut causes damage to grain crops. It is also served as a delicacy in some countries. Fungi can be parasitic, living off of an organism and causing a disease. Examples include athlete's foot, jack itch, ringworm, and yeast infections. A fungi infection must be treated with antifungal ointments. Alexander Fleming accidentally contaminated a plate of bacteria. Before throwing it out, he observed that there was a clean zone around the contaminant. Upon further examination, he identified the contaminant as penicillium, a mold colony. This mold was used to make the antibiotic penicillin. It is still one of the most common antibiotics used today. Yeast is a common fungi used to make bread and alcoholic beverages. Yeast does alcoholic fermentation. The products are CO2 and ethanol. When yeast is used to make bread, the CO2 causes the dough to rise, and the ethanol is burned off in the baking process.